As Europe grapples with a shifting security landscape, one country is taking bold steps to bolster its defense capabilities: Belgium. With the European Union moving forward with an ambitious €800 billion rearmament initiative, Belgian defense contractor John Cockerill is stepping up to the challenge by reviving armored vehicle production on its home turf. This marks a significant turning point, as Belgium has not been involved in manufacturing armored vehicles for over a generation. John Cockerill, a prominent player in the field of defense technology, is not new to the armored vehicle sector. The company has decades of experience in designing and producing turrets for NATO light tanks, and its CEO, François Michel, has emphasized the importance of returning to large-scale production within Belgium. This initiative aims to re-establish the country's role in the defense industry, enhancing both its military capabilities and its contribution to European security. The company's plans to relocate a portion of its armored vehicle production to Belgium are part of a larger European strategy aimed at reducing dependency on external defense suppliers. With an increasing focus on self-sufficiency, Europe is prioritizing the strengthening of domestic production, particularly in light of heightened geopolitical tensions since Russia's invasion of Ukraine. Belgium, with its long history of industrial expertise, is positioning itself as a key player in this effort. Among the potential locations for John Cockerill's new production facilities, the former Audi plant in Forest stands out as a promising option. Currently seeking a new operator, the site could be repurposed to accommodate high-volume military vehicle production. This facility, according to François Michel, is well suited to fulfill Belgium's ambition to become a critical part of Europe's defense industry. However, other locations in the country are also under consideration, including the former Caterpillar site in Gosselies, Charleroi. These sites, once active hubs for industrial production, are now part of Belgium's vision for revitalizing its defense industry. The country is reviewing various industrial areas, including those in Liège and Charleroi, to find the best possible fit for John Cockerill's new initiative. This careful consideration of existing facilities underscores the urgency with which Belgium is approaching its defense industrial revival. John Cockerill Defense (JCD) is known for its specialization in land-based weapon systems and armored vehicle turrets. The company's modular turrets, such as the Cockerill 3000 series, offer versatile solutions for light and medium armored vehicles, accommodating a range of weapon calibers from 25mm to 105mm. The Cockerill 3105 turret, for example, provides comparable firepower to battle tanks while enhancing mobility. In addition to turret manufacturing, JCD is at the forefront of developing light armored vehicles designed for various tactical scenarios. The Cockerill IX, a hybrid combat vehicle, exemplifies the company's dedication to combining speed, stealth, and firepower, with a focus on reconnaissance and rapid intervention capabilities. JCD also works on modernizing existing military platforms, integrating cutting-edge targeting and stabilization technologies to enhance battlefield effectiveness. This shift to domestic armored vehicle production is part of a broader European effort to enhance regional security and independence. As NATO's reliance on external suppliers becomes less viable, Europe is increasingly looking to its own defense industries for self-sufficiency. The push for localized production, particularly in armored vehicles, is a key component of this strategy. Belgium's involvement in this effort is especially significant, as it seeks to regain a strong foothold in the defense sector after decades of relying on external sources for military equipment. John Cockerill's initiative is aligned with Europe's broader goal of strengthening its defense infrastructure, particularly in light of shifting U.S. defense priorities in Europe. The gradual drawdown of American forces on the continent makes it more critical than ever for European countries to build their own capacity for defense production. If successful, John Cockerill's initiative could pave the way for a new era of Belgian defense manufacturing, helping to reinforce Europe's overall security framework. The decision to repurpose sites like the Audi Brussels or Caterpillar plants for military vehicle production is a pivotal step in this process. It would not only create jobs and economic opportunities in Belgium but also contribute to Europe's collective defense efforts, marking a crucial development in the ongoing rearmament of the continent. As the European Union and NATO continue to navigate a complex and unpredictable geopolitical landscape, the revival of domestic production capabilities for armored vehicles and other defense systems will be crucial for ensuring that European nations can stand strong in the face of future challenges. Through projects like John Cockerill's, Belgium is positioning itself as an essential contributor to Europe's evolving defense strategy.